Hi guys, I welcome you to another exciting episode with EnnyGeleCraft. Enjoy. Okay, firstly you fold your material into two wraps. Okay, fold it into two, and so you can use a 2 yard, you can use 2/4, you can use 2.5, any length. So far we're tying a turban, so just take 2 inches in, then 4 pleats, then you base. Okay, so just bring your material, just follow your pleats. It shouldn't be perfectly neat because it's just a wrap, so but you can make it perfect too if you want it to look so nice. Okay, visual. So then we need our pin to pin. Okay, this is our turban. This is the final look. Turn your head. Yeah. Just the mini turban. Alright, let's move on to the next. Okay, the second style, pick 4 pleats or 5. Then you base. Raise your head up. Raise your head up. Yeah.
Yeah, hold. Yeah. Okay. I like your pleats. On both sides. Yeah, hold it. Come back. I'm getting out there. So, then you take 4. So at the back, just in case you're using a small fabric, so you should be having something small remaining. But if you're using a longer fabric, you can tie, just tie like the way you tie the round bee. So how do you do this? I collect a few of my pleats, let's say 4, and here too. I can just tie once because the hand is really small. Just tie once. Okay, so the remaining one, I pack. Then I pin together.
Okay, so this is the final look. So you just pull up here. Yeah. Okay, so this is the last style. So how do we tie this one? Just take 1 pleat, like this. Then you place onto the back.
Everything onto the back. No. Yeah. So now, what do you do? And now, alright, so what do we do now? Now this is what we do. Simply open up, reject. Yes. So then, this is our 2 inches in.
So this is a zigzag turban. So how do we achieve the zigzag turban? Make sure the center crossing is directly in between as the line on our nose. Alright, so now I want to cover this pleat. This one, I'm going to cover it with one pleat first, so I don't get to see. I get to see the one that's there before. And I hold. Okay, so this is the start of our zigzag turban. Don't make that mistake. Make sure this is still in the center. Sorry, I'm pulling your hair. Sorry. Okay. Then you take another one from here. Sorry. Oh yeah, hold it. The straight form, then you push in straight. The pin doesn't need to come out, just push in straight. Now whenever you pin like this, your fabric, nothing will happen to it. No matter how rough you angle it, it's still gonna stay. Look at it. Okay, so this is our final look. Can you see? For the zigzag turban,